This is a co-challenge for white. It seems like black has a nice position here on the corner, but what white can do actually is to just decrease black's eye space. And if white only plays endgame moves, then black will be able to live very easily. And if white tries something like this, because white is so far apart here on the right, black can just keep crawling. And as soon as black captures 3, now it's 4, white stones on the first line. It's at least another real eye, so it's not going to work. So that's why whites must play right here at number 5. It's not that intuitive, but it's pretty easy to see why it works, because if black Atari's here, white can't extend. If black Atari's this way, then white can make this into a fake eye. If black connects, white can extend further. This is actually not a seki, it's going to be a straight 3 shape, or at least a pyramid 4 shape. So black will fail this way. And if black Atari's, white can escape all the way to the right. Therefore, black's strongest response is right here. Now white needs to be a little careful. White cannot continue to crawl, because this way, as soon as black captures 3 stones on the first line, this is going to be another real eye. So white's strongest response is to come in here, destroying this eye, and black must throw in now. Otherwise, we'll go back to this fake seki pattern where black will die. So black throws in here, white captures, and this is how the ko starts. Does black have a local ko threat? Doesn't seem like it. And if black captures back, white does not have a local ko threat either. So both sides will have to play through this ko. If white wins, white will just connect here. This will be a pyramid 4 shape, a dead shape for black. If black wins, then of course, black will just get to capture these stones. Overall, not too difficult, hopefully, because 1 and 3 are just routine moves that reduce black's eye space, and number 5 shouldn't be too hard to find. But the ko itself might take a little bit of calculation, but these are the best moves for black. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.